Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make an origami Viking helmet. For this example, I'm going to be using an 8.5 by 8.5 square sheet of paper. Now, if you want one that's actually of wearable size, I used a 24 by 24 inch square sheet of paper. For the proportion purposes, we're going to start with an 8.5 by 8.5 inch square sheet of paper. First, you're going to start with your square sheet of paper as a diamond. You're going to fold it in half this way. Next, make sure these points meet. Now we start folding the horns. Fold these two flaps up and at an angle. You kind of have to eyeball where the flaps are going to be. Just try to make them as symmetrical as possible. And this is why I like having a grid mat to work with, because then you can see whether or not the places where you're supposed to be folding are even or not. This next part is a little bit tricky. You want to make sure that this line is parallel with this line. Make sure that stays parallel, and then make sure to fold everything down so it looks like a triangle, and you want to make sure that this point is where the fold stops. Repeat on the other side. Okay, so next, open this part up. So open that part up and invert the folds in the back only. Same thing on the other side. Open it up, and you want to fold all of these creases in the opposite direction, but only in the back. Okay, now take this front flap and fold it towards the top part of the helmet. Unfold. Align the corner to this line. Align this fold to your crease. One more time, this fold to this crease. And now fold that last crease. Flip it over. Same thing as the front. You want to do the same steps for the back. Unfold. corner to the crease, fold to the crease, fold to the crease, and now fold everything upwards. All right, so now you're going to want to open the helmet up a little bit. Flatten it a little on the edge so that you can lock everything in place with this fold. Same thing over here. Okay, so that these two folds lock everything in place. Now to make the horns, open this part up, invert it, same thing on this side. Open it up, invert. Here you're also going to need to eyeball where the folds are going and keep the horns as symmetrical as you possibly can. One more fold. Invert. And invert. And there we have it, your own Origami Viking helmet. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.